come to the question of
So you said,
right.
but unluckily it doesn't work. I mean the
So when I don't hear,
microphone
I cannot just share like that. Yeah. When I cannot hear it,
okay, sir.
whether you want it or not, since this is not working, this is not my fault. When I cannot hear.
What do you call this one? Microphone. It's not good.
It's not working well. I will.
They tell these things to let them do their duty.
I don't know whether
Why the hell these people are, why these people are neglecting the house? This is the highest decorum of the state. And then these people who are not looking after this thing very nicely.
Odi kendit meh.
Speaker, sir, I would like to submit. I just would like to submit. Well,
We should always understand the very essence of debate. If somebody has
Okay, you continue.
mentioned which is not correct, I will have to correct it.
Let me tell you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I have the privilege also. Not only him. What the hell you are talking about?
See,
I have the privilege also.
Please.
Hey man, I have the privilege also.
Please, please.
Don't talk like that.
Please.
I said better situation.
True, two HSPDP MLAs they have not come here.
They have come here. They went for pee. I don't know where they went.
They went for?
Somewhere Paikhana Ken.
Ayan,